Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to verify your Coinbase account in Nigeria. This is a very important step, as it allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrency on the platform. What is Coinbase? Before we get started, let's take a quick look at what Coinbase is. Coinbase is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy, sell, and store a variety of cryptocurrencies. It's one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, and it's available to users in over 30 countries. Why verify your Coinbase account? There are a few reasons why you might want to verify your Coinbase account. First, it allows you to buy and sell more cryptocurrency. Second, it allows you to use all of the features of the Coinbase platform. And third, it helps to keep your account secure. How to verify your Coinbase account? Verifying your Coinbase account is a pretty straightforward process. Here's what you need to do. Create a Coinbase account. The first step is to create a Coinbase account. You can do this by going to the Coinbase website and clicking on the Sign Up button. You will need to provide your name, email address, and password. Verify your email address. Once you have created your account, you will need to verify your email address. Coinbase will send you an email with a verification link. Click on the link to verify your email address. Provide your phone number. The next step is to provide your phone number. Coinbase will send you a text message with a verification code. Enter the code into the Coinbase website. Provide your identity information. The final step is to provide your identity information. This includes your full name, date of birth, and address. You will also need to upload a photo of your government-issued ID. What happens after you verify your account? Once you have verified your account, you will be able to buy and sell cryptocurrency on Coinbase. You will also be able to use all of the features of the platform, such as Coinbase Earn and Coinbase Pro. Tips for verifying your Coinbase account. Here are a few tips for verifying your Coinbase account. Make sure that you provide all of the information that is required. Make sure that you upload a clear photo of your government-issued ID. If you have any problems, contact Coinbase support. Verifying your Coinbase account is a simple process that can be completed in a few minutes. Once you have verified your account, you will be able to buy and sell cryptocurrency on one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.